Happy Mother's Day! We got you an afternoon at the spa.
Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family or individual, as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on different days in many parts of the world, most commonly in March or May. It complements similar celebrations honoring family members, such as Father's Day, Siblings' Day, and Grandparents' Day. While some countries have a multi century history of a day to celebrate mothers, the modern American version of the holiday began in the United States in the early 20th century at the initiative of Anna Jarvis, who organized the first Mother's Day service of worship and celebration at Andrews Methodist Episcopal Church in Grafton, West Virginia, which serves as the International Mother's Day Shrine today. It is not directly related to the many traditional celebrations of mothers and motherhood that have existed throughout the world over thousands of years, such as the Greek cult to Cybele, the mother deity Rhea, the Roman festival of Hilaria, or the other Christian ecclesiastical Mothering Sunday celebration. However, in some countries, Mother's Day is still synonymous with these older traditions. The American version of Mother's Day has been criticized for having become too commercialized. Jarvis herself, who began the celebration as a liturgical observance, regretted this commercialism and expressed that this was never her intention. In response, Constance Adelaide Smith successfully advocated for Mothering Sunday as a commemoration of a broader definition of motherhood in many other parts of the English speaking world. Establishment of holiday. The modern holiday was first celebrated in 1907 when Anna Jarvis held the first Mother's Day service of worship at Andrews Methodist Episcopal Church in Grafton, West Virginia. Andrews Methodist Church now holds the International Mother's Day Shrine. Her campaign to make Mother's Day a recognized holiday in the United States began in 1905, the year her mother, Anne Reeves Jarvis, died. And Jarvis had been a peace activist who cared for wounded soldiers on both sides of the American Civil War and created Mother's Day work clubs to address public health issues. She and another peace activist and suffragist Julia Ward Howe had been urging for the creation of a Mother's Day for Peace, where mothers would ask that their husbands and sons were no longer killed in wars. 40 years before it became an official holiday, Ward Howe had made her Mother's Day proclamation in 1870, which called upon mothers of all nationalities to band together to promote the amicable settlement of international questions, the great and general interests of peace. Anna Jarvis wanted to honor this and to set aside a day to honor all mothers because she believed a mother is the person who has done more for you than anyone in the world. In 1908, the US Congress rejected a proposal to make Mother's Day an official holiday, joking that they would also have to proclaim Mother-in-Law's Day. However, owing to the efforts of Anna Jarvis, by 1911 all US states observed the holiday, with some of them officially recognizing Mother's Day as a local holiday. In 1914, Woodrow Wilson signed a proclamation designating Mother's Day, held on the second Sunday in May, as a national holiday to honor mothers. Although Jarvis, who started Mother's Day as a liturgical service, was successful in founding the celebration, she became resentful of the commercialization of the holiday, and it became associated with the phrase Hallmark holiday. By the early 1920s, Hallmark cards and other companies had started selling Mother's Day cards. Jarvis believed that the companies had misinterpreted and exploited the idea of Mother's Day and that the emphasis of the holiday was on sentiment, not profit. As a result, she organized boycotts of Mother's Day and threatened to issue lawsuits against the companies involved. Jarvis argued that people should appreciate and honor their mothers through handwritten letters expressing their love and gratitude, instead of buying gifts and pre-made cards. Jarvis protested at a candy makers convention in Philadelphia in 1923 and at a meeting of American War Mothers in 1925. By this time, carnations had become associated with Mother's Day, and the selling of carnations by the American War Mothers to raise money angered Jarvis, who was arrested for disturbing the peace. In Britain, Constance Adelaide Smith was inspired to advocate for Mothering Sunday, an already existing Christian ecclesiastical celebration in which the faithful visit the church in which they received the sacrament of baptism, as an equivalent celebration. She referred to medieval traditions of celebrating Mother Church, mothers of earthly homes, Mary, Mother of Jesus, and Mother Nature. Her efforts were successful in the British Isles and other parts of the English-speaking world. In 1912, Anna Jarvis trademarked the phrase Second Sunday in May, Mother's Day. Anna Jarvis, founder, and created the Mother's Day International Association. She specifically noted that mothers should be a singular possessive, for each family to honor its own mother, not a plural possessive commemorating all mothers in the world. This is also the spelling used by U.S. President Woodrow Wilson in his 1914 presidential proclamation, by the U.S. Congress in relevant bills, and by various U.S. presidents in their proclamations concerning Mother's Day. While the United States holiday was adopted by some other countries, existing celebrations, held on different dates, honoring motherhood have become described as Mother's Day, such as Mothering Sunday in the United Kingdom or, in Greece, the Eastern Orthodox celebration of the presentation of Jesus Christ to the temple. Both the secular and religious Mother Day are present in Greece. Mothering Sunday is often referred to as Mother's Day, even though it is an unrelated celebration. In some countries, the date adopted is one significant to the majority religion, such as Virgin Mary Day in Catholic countries. Other countries selected a date with historical significance. For example, Bolivia's Mother's Day is a fixed date, commemorating a battle in which women participated to defend their children. Some countries, such as Russia, celebrated International Women's Day instead of Mother's Day or simply celebrate both holidays, which is the custom in Ukraine. Kyrgyzstan has recently introduced Mother's Day, but year-on-year International Women's Day is certainly increasing in status. International history and tradition. In most countries, Mother's Day is an observance derived from the holiday as it has evolved in the United States, promoted by companies who saw benefit in making it popular. As adopted by other countries and cultures, the holiday has different meanings, is associated with different events, religious, historical, or legendary, and is celebrated on different dates. In some cases, countries already had existing celebrations honoring motherhood, and their celebrations then adopted several external characteristics from the US holiday, such as giving carnations and other presents to one's mother. The extent of the celebrations varies greatly. In some countries, it is potentially offensive to one's mother not to mark Mother's Day. In others, it is a little-known festival celebrated mainly by immigrants or covered by the media as a taste of foreign culture. Religion. In certain traditional branches of Christianity, the holiday is strongly associated with revering the Virgin Mary. In some Catholic, Lutheran, and Anglican homes, families have a special shrine on their home altar devoted to the Blessed Virgin Mary. In many Eastern Catholic and Eastern Orthodox churches, a special prayer service is held in honor of the Theotokos Virgin Mary. In Islam, there is no concept of Mother's Day, but the Quran teaches that children should give priority to loving their mother over their father. In Hindu tradition, Mother's Day is called Mata Tirtha Onshi, or Mother Pilgrimage Fortnight, and is celebrated in countries with a Hindu population, especially in Nepal, where mothers are honored with special foods. The holiday is observed on the new moon day in the month of April-May. This celebration is based on the Hindu religion and it predates the creation of the us-inspired celebration by at least a few centuries. In Buddhism, The festival of Ulambana is derived from the story of Maud and his mother. Arab world. Mother's Day in most Arab countries is celebrated on 21st March. It was introduced in Egypt by journalist Mustafa Amin and was first celebrated in 1956. The practice has since been adopted by other Arab countries. India. The modern Mother's Day has been assimilated into Indian culture and is celebrated every year on the second Sunday of May. Indians do not celebrate the occasion as a religious event. Its celebration is mostly restricted to urban areas where the occasion has been largely commercialized. United States. The United States celebrates Mother's Day on the second Sunday in May. In 1872, Julia Ward Howe called for women to join in support of disarmament and asked for 2 June 1872 to be established as a Mother's Day for Peace. Her 1870 appeal to womanhood throughout the world is sometimes referred to as Mother's Day Proclamation. But Howe's Day was not for honoring mothers but for organizing pacifist mothers against war. In the 1880s and 1890s, there were several further attempts to establish an American Mother's Day, but these did not succeed beyond the local level. In the United States, Mother's Day remains one of the biggest days for sales of flowers, greeting cards, and the like. Mother's Day is also the biggest holiday for long-distance telephone calls. Moreover, church-going is also popular on Mother's Day, yielding the highest church attendance after Christmas Eve and Easter. Many worshippers celebrate the day with carnations, colored if the mother is living and white if she is dead. Mother's Day continues to be one of the most commercially successful U.S. occasions. It is possible that the holiday would have withered over time without the support and continuous promotion of the florist industries and other commercial industries. Other Protestant holidays from the same time, such as Children's Day and Temperance Sunday, do not have the same level of popularity. Happy Mother's Day!